Alright, so let's get started, I guess. I haven't started on this at all, so we're just starting now. Alright, so we want a settings class first of all, I guess. Or do I do it in one and then have a list of them? Yeah, I'll do that. Alright. God, don't be this slow, please. So we need the setting name. We need description. We need enabled text and disabled text. I think that'll be everything. Maybe. Yeah, cool, that'll be it. Help if I could type, probably. No, we will need more, actually. We need messages, too. I think that's everything. And that needs to be a string, not a list. Alright, so this is just the boring part, to be honest. Yeah, I don't know what to say while I'm doing this shit at the moment. Let's just check this out. Sorry, I didn't disturb. Cool. So get setting name, return setting. If I could spell, fuck me. Alright. Public list string, get description. No one gonna talk in chat or what? Or is it just not updating for me or some shit? Oh, someone did say yo. Oh, just now. Yo. Fuck, what is it now? Get description, get enabled text, return enabled text, get disabled text. I mean, I probably could have just done this way easier, right, by making all these public. Does it still work? It still works, right? Fuck, I'm just gonna do that. Save me loads of time. Cool. What's good? How is one meant to answer that? I don't really know. How are you? Not bad, how are you? How is everyone, actually? That's a good question, I guess. Okay, what the fuck am I doing? I need another class for settings. because setting is just data. So public private list settings equals new. Alright, this. Right? Hi, how's it going? How's it going? How's it going? How do you answer that? Not bad? That's a good way of answering that. Yeah. I don't know. I don't really like people asking how I am. That'll come out in the wrong way, but I literally always just say, like, not bad. I don't know. Not bad or not too bad. Alright, how many barbecues have you had over this British summer? Quite a few, to be honest. Had one yesterday, having one again today, even though I've already had KFC today. And we've had multiple before yesterday as well. Probably not many, like, less than 10. Maybe around 5. I don't know. Did I put this in that class? Because if so, I don't think I'm going to need it. I don't see that I'll need that, because this is literally just data storage. And this doesn't want to be a list, this wants to be a hash map. Fuck it, I'll just do it this way. Fucking, I haven't done any code in a while, actually. It's kind of weird to do it at the moment. What am I doing? What do I do now? Oh, I know what I do now. I'm gonna do, I need the user class at some point, and I'll need Hydro at some point as well. So I'm gonna do the join message just as the start. So I'm only gonna do one for now. So settings.put activity messages. And so the name and description first. So activity messages arrays as list. Description. I can literally just copy that from these because I made these just for the thumbnail. Like I wasn't gonna fucking code it all, obviously, just for the thumbnail and then get rid of it. So toggle receiving server activity messages. What next? I wish it wouldn't just say null for everything. Enabled and disabled text. So click to enabled is first, so click to no longer receive. Join and leave messages. And this will be click to receive. Join and leave messages. And then these are just messages. Hydro.prefix. You enabled and a percent setting percent. I'll just do it like that so I don't have to keep fucking messing around with it, I guess. And then hydro.prefix. You disabled and c percent setting percent. And I just want to put a full stop at the end of this one as well. Cool. So that should just be that one setting ready, I believe. Public setting get setting string setting return settings.get setting. Okay. So that's enough for that. No, it's not. We need a default. That was the big problem I had way back. Let's move that over a bit. That was the big issue I had way back on one of the other servers. Anytime I made a new setting, it'd always default to false. So literally just boolean default. Why did that not work there? Anyway, I want it here and not there. Okay, I guess I can't use default or something, right? Yep. Brilliant. What can I use instead of default then? What's a different word for default? Not gonna lie, I'm kind of stuck at the moment. Who's that? I don't know who that is. DFLT, fuck it. I don't know. And I can't do it here either, I bet, no. Typing things like that are always really weird for me. Like, typing things that aren't words. Or just anything that I'm not familiar with. What? Oh fuck, I made it a string. Okay, cool. Oh, why though? Because, so default is true. Yeah, okay. No, it just needs to be a list. No, it wants to be a hash map. Alright. The fuck? Settings. I don't even know why I bothered to do that. Honestly, I never do shit like that before. I just decided I guess I might as well try and do it this time. Okay. I'm just gonna copy that down there, I guess. So, public boolean get setting return settings.get setting public void toggle setting string. And we're going to make that return a boolean as to whether they enabled it or disabled it. I just did that completely wrong. Whatever. Boolean b equals settings.get setting. Is there a way to revert a boolean? Or no, I'll just do it manually. Fuck it. If b settings.put setting false, else settings.put setting true. And then just return b. Do I even need anything else? Get setting and toggle setting. That's it, right? pretty sure that's everything. 7 people at the moment, that's quite a few. Alright, GUI time. Now's the slightly, well, this will probably just be the only long-winded part of the whole thing, to be honest. Oh, fuck. Public settings, GUI, Hydro. Mr. Hydro. Did I do that on the settings class? I did. Then let's register the listener as well. I can't remember even how to do this. What the fuck? Get server. Get plugin manager. That's it. It's what happens when you don't code for a while. Oh my god, I cannot type. God, I haven't had this much trouble for a while. Fucking hell. I am gonna make another method in here, and that'll be public int get inventory size return settings.size divided by 9 plus 1. Okay, we do need to do this, I believe, because the add will happen before. Does Java follow bidmass, bodmass, whatever it is? I'd imagine so, right? It doesn't matter, it worked first either way, but we'll just keep it like that since we've already fucking done it. So. No. And I need to now public settings, and that should be up here. Okay. That should be fine, right? I think. Import inventory. No, I can't because I don't have this filled in. Settings.get inventory size. Okay. What's the quality like? Is it good, or is it pretty shit, or is it bearable, or? It looks okay on my phone, I guess. But I don't have the sound on. I don't know what the sound sounds like, or whatever. What do we do now? We for settings.get setting. No, I need a get settings method. Why is that giving an error? No import, okay. And I also need to do new array list. I believe that's how you do that, right? No. I literally just imported it. What the fuck is going on? I guess I'm doing it wrong or something then. Why does it do dumb shit like that? I fucking cut it, paste it again, and it's fine. What the fuck? It's a little bit laggy, but not terrible. Okay. Yeah, that's what happens when you have a fucking i3 and shit, you know? i3, no graphics card. Can't really get a good quality stream, I'm afraid. We can close that tab for now and help a little bit, maybe. Setup menu. So for settings, setting in settings, get settings. Item stack I was near item stack material.wool. Why is there two wools? Oh, because it's bucket and yeah. 5 and 14. Okay, won't remember that, but I need a user. I'm just going to quickly finish off this part, I guess, because I need to save it, and I know that if I don't do it now, I'm going to forget. I'm back, welcome back. So, save. Data set. Settings. No, we don't really need to do that, but it's just in case I delete a setting, it stops the file saving unnecessary shit. Saving and loading it, so for string setting in settings.keyset, I believe, and then just data.set settings.setting settings.get setting, right? I believe something like that. And then we need to load it. If data.get configuration settings doesn't equal null. For string setting in data.get configuration section settings dot get keys false. And then just settings dot put setting data dot get boolean settings dot setting. Alright, that should be save and load and done, hopefully. So set a menu. Item stack I and meta m equals I dot get item. We're just gonna do if user dot get setting 1 byte 14. You can do that, right? I saw someone I was helping the other day do their data like this rather than on a new line like I always did. So I'm going to try that. So set display name core.color. I need Notepad open. I don't need to go onto there, I need to go onto here. And setting. Wait, why I'm a fucking idiot. I don't need to do that. I have these all fucking saved in there. I don't need you. So first we need the description. So for string disk in. Oh no, fuck, we already have setting. Twat. Setting.get description. What's the problem with that? Okay, had too many things. Oh, because I'm a fucking idiot, that's why. Jesus Christ. And then for string text in setting.enabled text, how to add color hydro dot. And we also need to add something here. And this is whether it's enabled or not. So in this case, it's enabled. And then just add the end to it. Then we also need to do that for the counter for the. No, why am I going to do that? I'll just add it to the inventory instead of setting its position. That's fine, right? And just do the disabled as well. We'll need that a few times, so we'll just copy it. I think that's everything. I think that creates not everything for creating the GUI. I'm gonna do this in a better way. Instead of updating the whole inventory, I'm just gonna update what actually is edited. Because that'd be a lot better. So just public item stack get GUI item boolean enabled. Oh fuck, I copied not enough. I didn't copy the whole thing. We'll just have to return null at the end. Actually no, it won't, it's an else statement, so it'll never fail. And then this is just enabled. Right, we need the setting as well. What the fuck's going on here? Why is this not working? Huh? But it's right there. Okay. Fucking hell. Probably need to import Hydro. What? It's right there. Why is that not working? Oh. Fucking hell, I am a twat, aren't I? What's this description? God. Hopefully, that's right. And then instead of doing that, I will just do here in settings.get settings. Input add item settings dot no. Fucking hell, I'm making lots of fuck ups, aren't I? Oh, okay. Okay, that should be the creation of the GUI. Bar this, and then okay. And then just need the click event. Okay, so set cancel true. We want to cancel it no matter what. We don't want people interacting with items. If e.get raw slot is less than settings.get inventory size. Item stack ci x.get current item if ci doesn't equal null, and ci.get type doesn't equal material.air. Fucking shitty adverts. I just gotta split it. Equals ci.get item meta.get display name.split core.color hydro dot top 1, and we will just strip the color from it as well. That's meant to be there, right? Oh, it's because I hadn't imported chat. And this will need to be settings.get setting. That should be everything. Or not. There we go. So what now? I should really plan out what I'm gonna do before I start to work. Otherwise I just sit here trying to think what the fuck I need to do. I know what to do. If user dot oh shit, I didn't to hydro dot get user p dot toggle setting dot setting. So that will tell us which message to send, and it'll also toggle it. Let's just quickly double check I did that correctly actually. Let's just do this. True, false, false, true, return B. No, we do not want to return that. Wait, I'm a twat. I can actually just do settings.put setting not B, right? So if that's true, then it will become false, and if it's false, it will become true. I should be right, hopefully. In fact, we'll just do that. And then this will be core.message setting.enabled message.replace setting and then this will just be disabled message. That'll theoretically, hopefully work. And then we just need to update it. So set item e.get raw slot setting.get GUI item hydro setting enabled. Cool. I think we just got to try it now, right? No, we don't. We need to make the command. I don't know. I feel like I've probably forgot something. I guess we'll just see. Okay. Did I do this as static? Because if not, I might as well. Wait, did I do all my other GUIs as static? Yeah, I've been doing GUIs as static. I'm just going to keep doing it that way for ease of it. And this will need to be static as well. Oh, for fuck's sake. Wish I'd remembered to just do it static from the start. Makes it a bitch to have to change everything. How many likes does it have? Any? Two likes. Come on, we can get a bit more than that. It's 6 people. Seven people now. What am I doing now? Fuck. I keep getting lost. That's the only problem. Settings.get. No, I'm a fucking idiot. Settings GUI.menu P. Okay, let's try that. Fuck it, good enough, isn't it? And then we just need to register the command and the GUI if we haven't already. We have new settings CMD. So I believe that should be everything. I guess we'll just give it a shot now. Alright, let's see what happens. Hopefully we get lucky. And we get it to work first try. I didn't want to open that, thank you very much, but okay. Let's quickly take a look at that message. Almost stopped streaming there, that wouldn't have been good. Which one's monitor? Oh, this one. Wow. Someone messages me and then removes me so I can't even reply, really? Joins my server, asks a question and leaves the server so I can't even reply. Really? Wait, no they didn't. Yeah, they did. Fucking hell. Okay. I really do have a bad feeling that I've forgotten something. Are you able to move the chat to the right side or somewhere else? Oh shit, yeah. I used to have it there and then I forgot about that actually. I forgot that the coding's all on the left side. Sorry. I wonder if anyone's on this. Play.asylumcloud.us. 3 people. Poor bastard paid like 1,000 for it damn near, I think. Settings. Fun. No, I've definitely forgot things actually, I've just thought. And this will be because I don't have my user thing loaded in it. Yeah. If I just leave and delete my user file, that should be better. Well, hopefully, unless that's not the actual reason. I am this one, I believe. Oh, fuck, wrong server. Nope, still an error, okay. Setting GUI 39, okay. What? What? So this is null, I guess. Did I actually, yeah? Maybe the other way around, no, because it's, inventory owner first. And the owner should be null. So it's owner and then size. Well, that's an easy debug way, I guess. It'll say null in chat, or just give an NP on that line. Actually, something interesting to see would be if it saves the settings or not. It doesn't. Because I never actually set up the fucking defaults, that's why. That's why it's not working that time. It's nothing to do with that, I don't think. No, it's got to. Oh, I don't fucking know. But I know I didn't do that. User. And this will be settings.put setting.setting setting.default. And I did just remember actually, we need to do this. So I'm going to change this a bit. For setting in hydro.settings.get settings. I mean, that's never going to be null, so I don't need to do that check. So I can just do if data.get string settings.setting doesn't equal null, else this will be settings.put setting.setting data.get boolean settings.plus setting, and this will be settings.put setting.setting setting.default, because that was a problem I had before. You know, give that a shot. I've still got that other debug message in as well, but I don't think that'll be the. I don't know. I don't think that error is anything other than me forgetting that. No, it's got to be though, because it was on fucking on this line. I don't know. We'll find out in a minute. Nope, still an error. Brilliant. Okay, so why will this be null then? Does that mean settings is null? I guess it does, right? I don't see how it can be. The most annoying thing is this means I haven't even fucking got a chance to properly test the GUI yet. That's the most annoying thing. Where's the join listener? Because I'm gonna need to implement something just to test. Ah, fuck. Okay, I need to do this differently. That isn't gonna that'll disable it, right? It won't just send a fucking blank line, hopefully. For player, flow and bucket, I'll get online players. If hydro.get, oh, that's better wrong. Get setting activity messages. I don't want that. I want that there. Because I don't want them to be able to hide the welcome message, I only want them to hide the rejoin message. So Where's that fucking message gone? I deleted it, didn't I? Yeah. And this will be core.message, meaning I don't need color anymore. No, PL. I think that's right. I think. Anyway, let's see if the GUI's working yet. Oh, for fuck's sake. You gotta be kidding me. Why is the error there still, though? The error should be here. Hello, Jarboss. Oh, fuck me. Let's just try and export it again and see what happens, I guess. But I am quite confused why this is giving null. Because settings isn't null. And there's no way that 9 or 1 are fucking null. I should probably check for an error in startup, huh? So, well, that's interesting. Might be to do with settings. I don't know, I didn't really look at it. I didn't read it. Why do I have that twice? And I didn't see an error about it, other than that disabled error. No, nothing. Okay. Settings. Oh, for fuck's sake. Has anyone got an idea in this? Because I'm actually completely fucking stuck at this point. What's going on? Why is this giving null? I really don't get it. I really do not understand this. Did I actually, Oh, well, it'll be fucking stupid. Yeah, I know why. There we go. Fucking hell. That'll be it. I already know it without even looking. I also don't understand this because this can't be null. Yeah, exactly. I think it's this. I just didn't have the variable set. Oh, well, there's still an error. What? It's not a multiple of 9, that'll be why, right? Yeah. Where's the fucking... There's Eclipse. So... What we'll do, we'll just do it the long way, I guess. If int size equals settings.size, if size less than 9, return 9. I don't want to do it this way. Is there a better way to do this than anyone can think of? Because I can't think of a better way. I ain't gonna go any further than that for now. Oh, why's this fucking... Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, we've got to wait fucking 50 years. Oh my god, this is just such a piss take, how long it takes to start. I think there's a math method that could help you. Yeah, I just can't bother to think of it right now. There definitely is. I didn't set the name of the GUI, but... okay, well that's not perfect, is it? Far from it, actually. And clicking it doesn't toggle it as well. On click 58 NPE. Okay, well we'll start by fixing this. Why is that top bit red, the description? It shouldn't be. And there's no reason for it to be. Never mind, I'm looking at the wrong part. Shouldn't that be on? The default for that was enabled. Why is it disabled? Oh, this is not good. What is up? This is hurting my brain, and it's a fucking... It's not complicated. It's a simple settings system. Why can't I do this? I've done it fucking half a dozen times before. How do you know all this stuff? YouTube. I learnt through YouTube. Which is why I'm stuck in dumb situations like this, probably. Because it's not a good way to learn. What was that error at? 58. Oh, okay. That's not good. math.seal and math.floor. I think I could. I honestly think I know a way of doing it, but I don't really know. Why is that an error though? I really don't get that. Why is this giving an error? Is it something to do with this? I wonder if I quickly quit, does it save the settings? It didn't do that earlier. And if not, then we've got a problem. Yeah, it did. But it's false, which it shouldn't be. Let's just double check I didn't actually set it as false default. No, I set it to true, so why did it do that? Why did it set the default? Why did it put it to true? What? I'm so confused right now. Oh, I don't... what the fuck is going on? Why did it set that to false? Seriously, why? Why did it put it to false? Look! Fucking setting.default, and default is true. There's an error on that as well. Fuck me. Well, I didn't get the message, I guess. That's something. Leave 48. Is that because the players know? Because they just left? Or is that actually the get setting thing now? Probably typed it wrong, huh? No. You know what? I feel like this is one of those things where if I leave it for an hour and then come back to it, I'll be able to do it. So I'm going to end this and continue it later on tonight and see if I can do it then. Because right now, I really can't be bothered to try and figure this out, if I'm honest. Like, fuck. So, we'll call it an end and I'll get this finished tonight sometime. I don't know if the link in the description works or not. So, just to be sure, there's the invite for later on. I didn't copy the invite link, of course I didn't. Okay, there's the invite for later on. There's the invite to my Discord, and I'll put it in there whenever I start again. And yeah, I don't know when it will be. I just know that it will be probably tonight or tomorrow. I don't know what time yet. We'll just have to wait and see. So yeah, see you all later, whoever joins. Catch you later.